Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Happy Friday to everybody. I'm just on my back porch today. I'm actually going to be leaving the house here pretty soon to take care of something. So, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be lighting one of these black and white fire starter fluffs. And I gave myself a pretty severe tongue lashing just now, a little bit ago for not using them sooner. So, kind of hurt my own feelings. But I'm going to be using the BPS 3 and the Dominator. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to light that and let it burn. And while it's burning, I'm going to cut a piece of this jute twine off and process it. And so we'll do a double burn. But first, let's jump right to this week's channel shoutouts. I actually ended up drawing two again because the two popped out, so just went with it. Let's jump right to that. Alrighty, let's make sure these guys get stirred in well in this week's channel shout out. Come on. I guess we're doing a double shout out this week. So we got Water to Field, an awesome guy, great brother, and Orion, whose sticker is right here. Whoop, there you go. Almost knocked. Wow, tripod. You're killing me here. That was awkward. So yeah, so Orion's right here, and Water to Field. Two outstanding gentlemen. Of course, I will link their channels below, so you can go check them out and give them a sub if you'd like. Alright, well don't forget to check out Orion and Water to Field. Links in the description. Let's get to the burn. Make sure we fluff that. It looks fairly fluffed. Would have been nice if it was a one and done, but it was kind of a sloppy angle. And it went out already. Seriously? Oh. Pull out that fluff and get that cotton exposed. Alright. That was weird. And there should be I've seen some methods with jute where you just take a coffee grinder and you... Somebody would be worried about all the jute twine getting stuck in the blades and transferring over to the food I eat. Unless I try to find one... that's like being given away. Let's try that. I need more processing, but we're just gonna run with it. One strike. Alright, so as far as it's still going. That's pretty nice. A little weird it went out the first time, but yeah, whatever. I got it going again. So anyway, I wanted to throw out some well wishes for Mad Dog and Mrs. Mad Dog. Andy, I think her name is Wendy. I guess they're both sick right now. And I would have said something during last Friday's video, but like this video, I shoot everything in advance, and then I hear the bad news the day of. So, like, it's actually Tuesday, to be totally honest with you right now. I'm just a little ahead of the game right now. So, yeah. I always shoot in advance because I never know what's going to happen, tomorrow or the next week or whatever. So, and I was going to go to the park, but I just thought, because I want to go to the store. I'm working on my backup fire kit, so I'm going to go pick up a couple things for the kit. So, well, anyway, have a great weekend, everybody, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out. Don't forget to check the links in the description, and have a great day.